Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Uber account using verification and passcodes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Uber account using verification and passcodes, begin by opening the Uber app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, tap on the sign in button. Enter your registered phone number or email address linked to your Uber account. After entering your details, tap on the next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS or email, depending on what you entered. Check your messages for the verification code sent by Uber. Enter the received code into the app in the designated field. If the code is entered correctly, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error, ensure the code is entered without any spaces. If you did not receive a code, tap on the resend code option. Wait for a few moments for the new code to arrive. Once you have the new code, repeat the entry process. After successful authentication, you will gain access to your Uber account. Explore the app features and start your next ride. Consider enabling two-step verification for added security in the future. This feature provides an extra layer of protection for your account. To set it up, go to the Settings menu within the app. Select two-step verification and follow the prompts to enable it. Congratulations! You are now authenticated and ready to use Uber securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.